I'm not having a great morning. It's like 10:07 Monday. My car door just whacked me in the back of the head. Oh my god. Oh, 2 Mondays to go. My hair grey already. I honestly thought handing my notice when I'm working my notice would be easier than the prospect of not having handed my notice in. But it's not. It's harder. After today, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 working days left. I can't go. Touching your sissy. That's nice. You're having cuddles, sissy cuddles. You two pair cuties. Mame. So cute, Mame. Belle, is she cute? Are you cute, Belle? Are you touching your sissy? That's nice. You're having cuddles, sissy cuddles. You two pair cuties. Mame. So cute, Mame. Belle, is she cute? Are you cute, Belle? We are driving around Cardiff Airport because RAF Tornado, which is retiring, is doing a fly past of our MOD St. Athan. So we've come to watch. Here we are, RAF Tornado, flying past Cardiff Airport.
Never worked on a tornado in Britain in my life. Because St. Athan, when the tornado was first operated, St. Athan was the main overhaul for every tornado in the RAF fleet. They all came there, they all got service there, and so that's really what kept St. Athan open, really. My phone is ringing now, I can.
I don't know if you remember me saying, but I started a little penpal project amongst the fans, the troublemakers of my favourite band, and I've received some happy posts. So I'm going to get to opening these now. I've got one from Dublin and one from Illinois, and I think this one actually might be football stickers. So we'll see. How exciting!
All I would say is I want to see a little bit more mermaidisms. We had a little bit, but you could have gone a little bit further with it.
All right, thank you, Ashley.
No, I think that you, as always, you had to fight for it this week, but you delivered. Honestly, you really did. And I think we all agree you integrated the challenge seamlessly. My one note would be last week you had so much performance intensity from you. I think you might have been a little bit reserved because of the injury this week, but just give us that intensity and you'll be right up there in the top marks.
You have to be happy with that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for doing the show so beautifully. Right, later on, those scores will be combined with your votes. 2 couples with the lowest overall scores will go head-to-head in the skate-off, where their fate will lie in the hands of our ice panel. 1 couple will lead the competition tonight.
So if you had a whale of a time and you want to see the back of this place,
Sarah has a ball, and Brian Sidebottom is back from injury with an unexpected growth spurt.
Oh my goodness, how cool are these? dog? What are you doing? As I was saying, look at these. I think I'm obsessed with football sticker swaps on Twitter because, oh my goodness, these are amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. So good. So good. Makes me so freaking happy. Whoop whoop, happy post. My goodness me, I must stop filming my address and putting it on YouTube. So first up is Happy Post from Dublin. This is from one of our Irish troublemakers. So I'm going to open this now and have a little read. Thank you. How lovely. See you in Manchester, Amanda. Thank you for the lovely letter. And this little package has come all the way from Illinois. So I'm very excited to see what's in this little bag of goodness. Let's have a little look. Wow, look at this. A handmade vintage troublemaker fridge magnet. So this has been like, I think it's called wood burning. And Sasha, troublemaker from Illinois, has made these. I think she made them for everyone, which is about 11 people so far. Thank you so much, Sasha. I will treasure this and it will have pride of place on my fridge. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sasha. This is absolutely glorious to receive. I really appreciate it. Thank you for joining in my little crazy idea. It's a beautiful post. Thank you.
Maybe you should come inside. That guy over there asked if we wanted to get high with it. Are you serious? No, wow. I'm saying where are you in the back? Well, don't be anything about drugs. I'm not. Alright. Well, then we'll be, we'll just be inside. Thank you, ma'am. Even if I'm a little bit worried for Buddy, I also know that we've been stuck on this RV together for a long time, and we all need some space, and so if this is what Buddy wants, then I think, he should have a space. These mosquitoes out there.
Be gentle.
I'm always excited to see Jessica, but I don't like to play at my toes.
It's okay. You happy, Mimi? What's this?
You my love.
Belle?
You having some as well?
Ankle bumpy.